What if you could start a profitable online business just by helping people fix their resumes using ChatGPT? This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real service people are paying for every single day in 2025. You don't need a degree, resume experience, or even to be a great writer to pull this off successfully. All you need is the right system, the right prompt, and the confidence to press send when a client needs help. Let me show you how to start your own resume writing business using ChatGPT, even if you're starting from zero. Resume writing is one of the most in-demand services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even local Facebook groups. People are constantly applying for jobs but don't know how to write resumes that actually match what hiring managers want. You're not just formatting text, you're helping people land interviews, change careers, and earn more money in the process. Because of that, clients are willing to pay $50 to $200 for a single resume, and many even buy rush services or cover letters too. That means there's a real opportunity here for consistent income if you treat it like a real business. So, how does ChatGPT make this easy for beginners? It takes the guesswork out of writing and gives you a foundation instantly. You don't need to come up with resume bullet points from scratch or memorize all the rules of resume formatting. You can feed ChatGPT the client's job description, old resume, and career goals, and get a tailored draft in seconds. From there, you review it, tweak a few lines, and send it back polished and professional. It's like being a resume consultant with a full writing team backing you, except your team is AI. Let's walk through how to actually set this up as a business, starting with how to find your first paying client. The easiest way is to offer your services on Fiverr with a simple gig like, I will rewrite your resume to match any job posting. Or if you prefer direct outreach, post in local Facebook groups offering a free resume audit in exchange for testimonials. Within a week, you'll get your first interested client. Most people are either job hunting or know someone who is. Remember, you don't need hundreds of clients, just a few per week can add up to serious side hustle income. Once you land your first client, you'll need 3 things from them to get started: their old resume, a job description, and any notes. These can be collected using a free Google form or Typeform link you send them after payment. Make the form simple. Ask for their past job titles, the job they want, and anything they want emphasized. The more input you collect up front, the better the AI output will be, which means less editing for you later. This form becomes the foundation of your process and makes your business look more legit right out the gate. Now let's talk about the magic of prompting ChatGPT. This is where your secret sauce really starts to shine. You can use a structured prompt like rewrite this resume to match the following job post. Emphasize leadership, results, and measurable achievements. Paste in the job listing and client details below the prompt, and let ChatGPT do its thing. The output will give you strong bullet points, better language, and keyword alignment that passes applicant tracking systems. That means your client is not just getting a nicer resume, they're getting one that actually helps them get interviews. Here's a powerful tip. Always ask ChatGPT to reword the resume for clarity, confidence, and impact, then have it do a second pass. The first draft is good, but the second pass usually levels it up with stronger verbs and cleaner formatting. You can even prompt it to write a personalized summary section tailored to the job or industry they're targeting. This extra step is what separates your service from a free AI tool. You're acting as the human quality filter. That's what makes people happy to pay. They're not buying access to ChatGPT, they're buying results that feel personal. Once you have the finished resume, format it using a clean professional template in Google Docs or Canva. Keep it simple. White background, clear fonts, bold headers, nothing fancy unless the industry calls for creativity. You'll want to export the resume as a PDF and include it in your delivery file with a friendly note of encouragement. Let them know you're available for edits or adjustments if needed, and thank them for trusting your service. This added touch creates a great customer experience and increases your chances of getting a referral or review. Now, let's talk money. How much can you realistically charge for this kind of service? Most beginner freelancers start at $35, $75 per resume, especially if you include a 48-hour turnaround. As you build confidence, you can upsell for add-ons like cover letters, LinkedIn bios, or rush delivery fees. Top resume writers on Fiverr charge $150+ for premium formatting, keyword optimization, and even interview coaching. With AI handling the heavy lifting, your margins stay high and your delivery time stays fast. If you want to grow faster, start collecting screenshots of client feedback, testimonials, and before and after examples. Use these assets to improve your Fiverr gig description or post them on a simple one-page website or Instagram page. People are more likely to buy when they see real proof that your service works and gets results. You can even offer an affiliate discount code to friends or influencers who refer job seekers your way. This turns your side hustle into a scalable, referral-based service without spending a dime on ads. As your business grows, you'll eventually want to build a library of ChatGPT prompts and templates for common client needs. This could include prompts for teachers, healthcare workers, software engineers, or entry-level job seekers. The more organized your system is, the faster you'll be able to deliver results and scale without burnout. You could even sell these prompts as a product themselves to other freelancers or resume coaches. At that point, you're not just selling resumes, you're selling systems. This is also a perfect business for people who want to quit their job or make extra income without doing hard labor. You can work from home, on your schedule, and automate large parts of the process once you refine your system. If you can write one resume a day at $75, that's over $2,000 a month, and it only scales from there. It's a quiet, high-value business with no storefront, no inventory, and almost no startup costs. Just your brain, a browser, and a willingness to help people land their next job. Let's not forget the emotional side of this. You're helping people believe in themselves again through your words. Most clients don't just need a resume. They need a fresh start, a shot of confidence, and someone to cheer them on. When you send them that polished PDF, you're handing them the next chapter of their career. And every message that says, "I got the interview," is proof that your little side hustle really matters. This is more than money, this is meaning, and that's what makes it worth it. To recap, all you need to start this business is ChatGPT, a Google form, and a willingness to show up and serve. You can learn everything else as you go. The client's confidence and income will come with experience. There's no perfect moment to begin, but there is power in starting now, especially while this opportunity is still new. This is a skill you can offer forever, not just a trend or a hack that disappears next year. So don't wait for permission, launch your resume business today and learn while you earn. If you want to stand out even more, consider branding your service with a name, logo, and niche focus. You could specialize in career changers, college grads, corporate professionals, or even blue-collar workers. The clearer your audience, the more confident you'll sound, and the easier it'll be to attract the right clients. ChatGPT can even help you write your website, emails, and FAQ page if you want to look more official. The more structure you build, the more legit your business becomes in the eyes of a client. Eventually, you'll be able to batch your workflows, train virtual assistants, or even turn this into a full digital agency. You could sell resume packages, courses, or even license your prompt library to other job coaches. That's the long game, but it starts with one simple client, one ChatGPT prompt, and one uploaded PDF. If you stick with it, your side hustle becomes your full-time income, and your AI becomes your silent partner. This is how ordinary people build modern businesses from home, and it's happening right now. So here's your next step. Open ChatGPT, write your intake form, and create your first Fiverr gig or Google Doc template. Offer one free resume audit to a friend or Facebook group member and use it to build momentum.